Came out here to do a little yard work in this cool weather. I'm gonna put these stones in here, but then I realized as I'm digging, there's a brick walkway already under here. It's just so overgrown. Well, I don't know how good a shape it is, so I think I'm just gonna go with my idea. Well, now I'm changing my mind, because this is pretty elaborate. It's wider than I think. You can see the whole hump of it here. But I only dug out right here, put a stone in, so it comes all the way over to here. And then you can see, discovered some edging brick. It's in there at an angle. It's like a popular thing to do. And it comes down. It gets narrow down here because I think it's only like 3 wide. But it's all the way over here too. So, it might be kind of cool to unearth this. Time lapse. I should catch my breath first, but that was like 20 minutes. Dig all that out. Yeah, it looks good on camera. Let's get the pressure washer now. Still just gotta get over to the edges. Maybe I'll do that first, and then we'll pressure wash. Better. That way? This way. Get a nice close up this way. Get rid of the shadow. We can see it came out nice, right? I mean, it's uneven. It's not up to elderly standards, but we'll just have to keep the folks out of here. But it's solid. I mean, it just sunk over the decades. The guy next door just said he's been here 11 years. He's never seen this. So this could go back to. This was a porch here, so it would have been a sleeping porch, they called them. It was a screened-in porch. Maybe this walkway was here, I don't know. Pretty sure the entrance to the basement was under that deck. So maybe it was later, but still it's been here. It's got to be 40 years, I would say. So I'm going to put the brick back in there. Make that look purty again. And then what else? I still got the edge over there. And I have some bricks around the corner. I could match that edge on this side. You know, those are just, I think they're just regular bricks at a 45. That's how they did things back in the day. And I don't think you'd see stamping on these bricks because that was something they did later in life, isn't it? Yeah, these are too old to have that. Very cool. Check it out, party people. There's a granite step down here. This house has tons of granite curbs in the front. Keeps going under that one. The edge is here. It's got a ridge in it there. And I think it keeps going this way too. It's probably a big hunk of granite. that would be the base probably for the steps. So was this initially the whole ground lower here? Wow, I wouldn't be surprised. I think I found there was 4 there. So they must have been what was missing right here. And I just need to get, looks like 7. I think I got a good stash over here. I mean, I got random ones in the basement, but there's also these just sitting here doing nothing. Kind of making a wall, but not. All right, 7.5. My curiosity's got me. There is a beer can in there. I want to know what that is. How old is it? Pull tab, you think? It's just a Coca-Cola. Where is it? There it is. Still old, square top. Bit of redemption though. Pfft, lame. So yeah, it's square top. But check out the ingredients. It actually has sugar, not high fructose corn syrup. Real sugar. This is all aluminum can too. I wonder if these new cans are lined in plastic. Yeah, that's not. I can see right inside. That's just all aluminum. And this is when thing was junk food was good for you. All right, we got an oddball there. You gotta have an oddball because it's not perfect, you know. Filled in those. And then I got a single right here, but I think that's because there was another single somewhere. Nope, maybe I'm drunk. Single there. I thought there was another one that was a skew over here. I don't know. Anyway, I like it. Now I should properly get the tamp the dirt in. To do it right, you put like a nice sub base of sand, right? I got the play sand that I can do afterwards, but I kind of like the grass coming up through. I like that rustic look, you know? All right, I did that. I just covered it in dirt, been tamping it, really getting in all the crevices. I'm gonna do the same here. Yeah, because I kind of want grass to grow in between. That's gonna look like an old English countryside. I'll wet it down, maybe that'll compact it. At least that's the idea. Probably gonna rain here for the next week. No, actually, I think we got some good weather coming. Yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna have to revisit this. Do a little filling in. Like I said, I have sand if I need it, but the whole walkway doesn't have sand. It's all, dirt and grass, so. Tell me what you think. Going for the rustic look. I think it'll be good. I'm glad I found this. All right.